Culture Hall. Hey guys, we are in Taiwan. Hello, mother. Mother, welcome to Taiwan, mother. Papayat na din ako. Gaganyan din ako.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you like my first shot? Really? Everybody looks like you don't want to see a show. Do you like the show? Later, I will go up, do some dangerous trick. So, sir, my life is on your hand. Hold it. Don't move. I will die. Okay?
So, ano pa siya? Batang-bata pa niya. Per-performance siya 15 years. Dito kami bandang Ximen. Nagano kami Airbnb.
Oh, ayan na naman siya na.
Ayan na naman siya.
Oh, one more.
Hindi lang init eh. Daming kainan dito guys. Nalitong to ay mga tao.
Hoy, pawala ka!
Guys, Uniqlo. Ayan. Okay guys, hanap mo na kaming kainan. Hi, what are you eating? Huh? Jelly? Is it jelly? Yummy, yummy. Oh, do they got the balloon?
Thank you,
Huh? You got the balloon? Yeah, yay! How about Easton?
Ba't nasa leeg?
Easton got the Snorlax
Picture ka
Pokemon.
na, picture ka. Picture na, dali. Picture, dali. Oh, picture na, dali. Ba't nasa leeg mo? Wait. Smile ka na. Okay, wait. Oh, wait to smile.
Mami, siya din daw oh. Yes, oh. Lagay niyo sa bag.
Mate, ah. Like, kitchen.
Keychain mo, ganda oh.
Ah, lababa.
Kaya pala ang daming kotse dito. Parking lot pala pang building na to oh. Tapos guys, nakita ko na yung ano, modern toilet. Ah. Modern toilet. Haha. Hapupo. Ito yung menu nila guys. Kaya. Mami, picture mo daw. Ayan, oh. Nag-ano na post. Nag-post si Easton.
Oh, ayan.
Sige lang. Di yan, okay.
Ang cute nung poop na
Yeah. Yakap mo siya. They have poop slippers. They have poop. They have the cup. It's like a cup. It's cup. Ay, be careful, be careful. Yeah, be careful. Yeah. Don't touch anything, you might broke it. Yeah, they have pupu palo. They have pupu palo. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, broken. You put it back, they will get mad. Yeah. Come here. This is pupu slippers. This is pupu pillow. You want the pillow? Huh? That's pupu slippers. Pupu pillow. Pupu slippers. So we are waiting for our food. Guys, chicken curry with the indano. You know, toilet bowl. Rice. Saka gulay-gulay. Ayan guys. Natupad na yung gusto ni Stan.
I will take a picture of you with that.
Ice cream daw nasa anidoro. Stan, you eat now.
Go!
Nightlife ng Shimen. Mami, ano ba yung banda dito, Shimen? Ay, kuya. Ay, mais ya. Sorry. You be careful, uy. You bump someone. You bump some people. Can you hold that properly like this? You bump someone nga. That's bad. They will get mad at you. You need to check your surroundings, okay? Come here na. We lost na. Where's mommy? You need to hold properly. Come, daddy, hold.
天气夏天到了，我跟你讲，很多人夏天不骑，尤其骑单车的人夏天。
Ito yung claw machine na walang harang.
Dad! Pokemon!
Pokemon! Let's go!
I mean, you dog, mommy.
Come.
What's that? Yeah, what's that? Let's go where? I'm on the right? Not there! Ay, laki niyan eh! Here na lang, go small lang. Small.
The other side. Kuya,
Ay,
here.
papalit pa kayo. Diyan ako lang.
Come here, hold. Daddy, hold first. Daddy, hold this one first. There, yeah.
Here, oh. But this one? What do you like? Here, sabi.
Go! Hey, what did you do? Ah, one more.
I want to get these.
Okay, one more. Go to mommy. You still have? Ganda na tunog ng R6. Yay! Good job!
Duday daw, duday. Ikat mo kay duday.
Pikachu. Iingit dyan, sister.